Paul, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jazz.
Thanks for the invite all the way up to Oldham areas.
Pleasure to have you.
Yeah, thank you. So we're here today to learn about your products. Before we get into that, could you kindly introduce who you are, what you do at the company, and obviously the name of the company that we're here at?
So my name's Paul Eastburn. I'm sales manager at Kerf Developments.
So Paul, interestingly, you've given me a rundown of the different style of this business compared to maybe others in the marketplace. But could we talk about that? How has Kerf started? And I'm trying to pick into the DNA of what it's here to do. So how long has the company been trading?
So the company was founded in 2002 by Dan Taylor, who's still the managing director now. It's a family-owned private business. The origins of the business, it started off as a service business, so service, repairs, maintenance, looking after basically OXY-FUEL plasma machines, and it evolved so that from those origins. So the Kerf Developments' original DNA is about service, maintenance, support of automated CNC machine tools.
Okay.
And it evolved from that point, Jazz.
So Dan, who I've met,
Yeah.
so he started literally as a service engineer?
A man in a van, basically.
A man in a van?
A man in a van, basically.
Yep.
And basically word got round, and opportunities opened up at that point. And then from about 2003, the opportunity was there to build machines. So what Dan did, he carefully selected partners he wanted to work with.
Right.
So key partners like Lincoln Electric,
Okay.
which was Caliburn back at the time, to Lincoln Electric now, and carefully selected the best components on the machine tool. So the drive system, everything about it. And we built the first machine in 2003, which was a high definition plasma machine, which is still going to this day, still
Right.
fully supportable.
Right.
And that's how the business grew. And by offering quality products
Yep.
at a fair price and offering the service behind it, that grew and evolved.
Okay, so you're still servicing that first machine,
That first machine back in 2003.
which is, correct me if I'm wrong, 21 years old now.
Yeah, 21 years old.
Okay.
And that's still
Maintained and
still
operated.
cutting, and we can still support that machine now with all components.
And how is that? I mean, I'm presuming that they're old components. I mean,
They are, but what we do is some of the discontinued components that the OEMs originally might have discontinued, we still have the stock of those components, so we will still have them here. We will still stock them here at Kerf.
that's
So
quite unusual.
it is unusual, but it comes down to the attitude, and I think service is an attitude. I think it's your mindset, top down. It's how you support the machines and what you stand for as a business. And that's how we were formed as a service business, and that'll never leave us, and that's in the DNA of the company.
Right, okay, so on that front, you carry a stock of parts?
We carry significant stock,
Right.
significant stock. So all processors, so high definition plasma, OXY-FUEL, ultra high pressure WATERJET and fibre laser. We carry well over £1 million worth of stock, all paid for, no debt, and it's significant because we can supply customers immediately with parts. It's always a one fix, so it's a one fix visit. Our engineers will assess over the telephone or by remote access
Right.
generally what the problem is, and it could be part A, part B, part C, we're not quite sure, but if an engineer does have to visit, then we will turn up with all those parts and fix the problem in one visit. No going to assess, then coming back 2 or 3 days later. It's one fix and it's done. But the remote access gives us the opportunity to resolve the majority of problems, and a lot of it is just simple finger trouble or gases or things that just aren't quite right that we can quickly resolve. And we've probably solved, and I'm being quite conservative saying this, 2/3, 70% of
good
technical
run rate.
problems we will solve just by remote access, which is free of charge, in and out of warranty. We don't
Okay.
charge for that.
And the business has evolved from this style of machine into which areas? I think you just touched on WaterJet and...
Yeah, so again, the origins is OXY-FUEL and plasma, and that's what we're known for.
Right.
But because we are an independent company, we follow trends and developments in the market. So we evolve with the market and adapt with it. So the four main processes is high definition plasma, OXY-FUEL, ultra high pressure WATERJET, and fibre laser. Fibre laser's our latest product range, but we're known in the industry traditionally for plasma, OXY-FUEL, and WATERJET.
Okay, so products evolving with the marketplace based on needs.
Absolutely, yeah, and that's what you have to do. We don't just sell a product that we have. We as a business, we're a team of engineers first and foremost, and because we offer all the disciplines, we can offer a solution with no bias towards any particular technology.
Right.
And we can offer the product specification that fits the application, what the customer wants to do, the vision for what they want to do. So there's no bias towards any technology. If it's plasma, if it's WATERJET, if it's laser, if it's OXY-FUEL, we will offer the right solution for that application rather than sell what we have.
As I was educated, so you know, with this sort of machine, you've got two heads on it, and I mean, maybe not completely unique, but your guidance is about the metal that's got to be cut, its thickness, speeds, and what's right for the customer.
Absolutely. So with this particular machine, this is a demonstration, ultra sharp, high definition plasma and OXY-FUEL. So it's a dual process machine. So this is aimed at a customer that might have a wide range of material thicknesses. So
I'll make sure that we can get both heads in as a...
So the ultra sharp high definition plasma,
Yep.
From thin gauge material right up to 50 millimeters.
Right.
The OXY-FUEL will pierce 150 millimeters. So it's having that flexibility in one CNC platform.
Yep. Okay.
To be able to cut a wide range of materials. It's only one process at a time, but same from the CNC control. So all the cutting parameters, all the details from the post-processor, materials, thickness, acceleration, speeds, gas changes, gas flow rates, are all in the program. So OXY-FUEL or plasma on one CNC platform.
I get the impression you take great pride in being able to say to a customer, actually, that's not right for you. That one might be better.
What we do is you've got that flexibility that you can walk into a company, you can speak with whoever, whether it's managing director or a project manager or whoever. You can look at their business, you can assess their business. What do they want? I always like to have a walk around, get an understanding, feel the vibe of the business, and then that gives me that flexibility to offer the solution that's right for them. And that's the most important thing. Not what's right for me, not what's right for us. It's what's right for them. And if we can't, and if we don't think that any of our technologies is right, we'll say that to Mr. Customer. Look, based on your business and what you're looking to do, your solution lies elsewhere, and we get respect for that.
And I'm presuming that well, how many machines are out in the field with the badge Kerf written on them?
Wow, well over 750 now, and that's growing.
And that's in which territories?
That's in the UK.
Yep.
That's UK and Ireland.
Okay. UK and Ireland. Okay, and we'll come on to the Lincoln Electric a little bit further in, but I know that's a key important part.
It's very important.
But thank you for explaining the origins.
Okay.
Hopefully that works to explain that you are specialists in your field, and that the experiences and the engineers and the guidance you give will be with the customer's interests at heart.
Absolutely. 100%, Jazz.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.